lecture on mathematics dealing with the topic number system. In this we have the subheading, that is finding the factors of a given number. This topic we have already covered in the previous video. If you haven't seen that video, please go and watch that video. I will drop the link for that video in the description. You can watch that and after that come here. So here also we are going to deal with some more example so that your concept will get clear. So let's take example number 2. Example number 1 we have already seen in the previous video. So I am taking example 2. Here one number I have taken, that is 6. And for this 6 we are going to find the factors. So we are writing here factors of 6 are for every given number. This is the given number. This is the given number. For every given number, two factors will be already known. What are they? 1 and the number itself. The number itself is 6. So we will write later on. So for this 6, we are going to find the factor. To find that, you have to reverse. You have to write 6 over here. 1 already done. Now we will see for 2. 2 3 is 6. The remainder is 0. That means 2 is also the factor of 6. Now we will go for 3. 6. Once again we are getting remainder as 0. That means 3 is also the factor of 6. Now we go for 4. 4 1 is 4. Remainder as 2. Here the remainder is 2. That means this 4 is not the factor of 6. But you may say that I can bring it as 0. The remainder can be brought up to 0. How? If you put the decimal value over here, then 1 0 will come here. Now it is 4 5s are 20. Okay? Now it is giving as remainder as 0 over here. Here the remainder will be 0. Do you think this 4 is the factor of 6? You might say that, sir, you might be telling that here if the remainder is 0, that means this 4 is the factor of 6. No, my dear students, here 1.5, this is the quotient. This quotient should be a natural number. It should not be a decimal value. So here one point you need to remember is that remainder equal to 0 and quotient should be natural number. If the remainder is 0 and quotient is a natural number, then only we can conclude this number 4 is the factor of 6. But in this case, the remainder is 0. Here, the quotient is a decimal value. It should be a natural number. Then only we will conclude this 4 is the factor of 6. So we will discard this because the quotient is not a natural number. That's why. Now we will move for 5. 6, 5. In the table of 5, 6 is occurring. We need to see here. 5 1s are 5. The remainder is 1. Now you might say, I will bring here point and put 0. 5 2s are 10. Yes, remainder is coming 0. Yes, the remainder is 0. But the quotient should be a natural number. But here, it is not a natural number. It is a decimal value. That's why this is not accepted that 5 will become the factor of 6. this is also discarded. It should be a natural number. It should not be a decimal value along with the remainder 0. Okay, this must be clear. Now, we already know for every given number, 1 will be the factor for the given number and the number itself will also be the factor of the given number. So these are the factors for the given number. In simple words, we can say what are factors. Factors are nothing but those tables in which the given number is going to occur. So you see, in the table of 1, this 6 times, this 6 will occur. 1 into 6, 6 times. If you multiply 1 with 6, you are going to get 6. Okay. In the table of 2, if you multiply 3 times, you are going to get 6. In the table of 3, if you multiply 2 times, you are going to get 6. In the table of 6, if you multiply 1 time, you are going to get 6. So these are the only factors for 6. There is no other factor beyond 6. Beyond this 6, you cannot go for 7, because if you go for 7, that means you are wasting unnecessarily time. Okay? So I am moving for the next example. I am erasing this. Example 3. Till now we have seen a single digit number and we have found out its factor. Now we are going to take double digit number. Here, for suppose I am taking 15. Okay, and I want to find the factors for 15. So I am writing over here factors for 15 are, we know that for every given number, this is the given number. 1 and the number itself will be the factor for the given number. So 1 is already done. Now we will see for 2. Up to where we will see? Up to, you have to start from 1 and go up to the number, given number 15. So 1 is over, we will see for 2. 2, 7 is 14. So in the 14, so remainder 1. That means here the remainder should be 0, but here it is getting 1. That's why it is not the factor of 15. Okay? Simply we will discard it. We go for 3 now. 3, 5, it is 15. That means we are getting the remainder is 0 and also the quotient is a natural number. That means this 3 is also the factor of 15. We will write here. Now we will go for 4. Do you think in the table of 4 this 15 will occur? Let's see. 4 4 plus 16, it will be more. 4 3 is 12. So you will get 3 as the remainder. Remainder should be 0, but here it is 3. That's why we will discard it simply. Now we go for 5. Do you think in the table of 5 this 15 will occur? Of course, 3 times it is going to occur. You will get remainder as 0. The remainder is 0 and also the quotient is a natural number. That's why this 5 is the factor of given number. We will write over here. Similarly, we go for 6. Here I am writing 15. We are going for 6. So 6 2 is 12. We will give the remainder as 3. So the remainder should be 0, but here it is 3. That's why we will discard it. We will see for 7. 7, 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. The remainder is 1. Again, it is not possible because the remainder should be 0. So we will simply discard it. Now we go for 8. 8, 1 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. It will be more. So 8 1 ja 8. Here it is 7. The remainder should be 0, but here it is 7. So discard it. Now we go for 9. 9 1 ja 9. Remainder is 6. It should be 0, but here it is 6. So discard it. Similarly, if we go for 10, if you go for 10, 10 1 ja 10, the remainder will be 5. So we go for 11, 11 1 ja 11, so the remainder will be 4. We go for 12, 12 1 ja, remainder will be 3. So we go for 13, it will give remainder as 2. If you go for 14, the remainder will be 1. If you go for 15, it will be remainder will be 0 and the quotient will be a natural number. Okay, these are the factors. These are the factors of the given number. Okay, this is the shortcut trick. How can we find? If you know the table from 1 to 20, then you can write all these things by your mind. Okay, you do not even need to divide it. Just wasting time. You are just wasting time unnecessarily by dividing. If you know the table, you can directly write it, the factors of the given number. Okay, so I am erasing this. Well, we are going to see some of the few basic terminologies in these factors. Let us see. That is even number. What is even number? What is even number? Number divisible by 2. Any number divisible by 2, then we will say it is a even number. Example: 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. There are n number of examples for even number. So the smallest even number is even number is 2, and the largest even number is undefined. So here is the smallest even number and the large 2 is the smallest. This is the smallest even. This is the 2 is the smallest even number and the largest will be at infinity, somewhere at infinity. But here we are unable to see infinity. That's why I am writing the largest even number is undefined. We cannot define the largest number for the even number. Okay. Now I will be taking one example and we are going to see whether that number is even or not. I am erasing this. Simply you can note it down. I am erasing this. Note even number as number divisible by 2. So let's see. We will determine. Here 14 is taken. How can we say that this number is a even number? To say that this number, this even number, this is a even number. To say that this given number is a even number, how can we say that this given number is a even number? To tell this is a even number, you have to see this unit digit. Here the unit digit is 4. Unit condition is that unit digit must be either 0 or multiple of 2. The condition to check whether the given number is even number or not is that unit digit. Here in this number, the unit digit is 4. So the unit digit must be either 0 or multiple of 2. So tell me, this 4 is the multiple of 2 or not? Yes, of course this 4 is the multiple of 2. That's why this 14 is an even number. 14 is an even number. Because 4 is falling 4 is falling in the multiple of 2. Once again I am telling this, here one number is given, that is 14, and we need to determine whether this 14 is an even number or not. To say that one condition is there, this unit digit in the even number, here the unit digit is 4, this unit digit must be either 0, it must be either 0 or multiple of 2. So here the unit digit is 4, that means this 4 is the multiple of 2. So we will tell the entire given number is the multiple of 2. That's why this is considered as a even number. Okay, I think it is clear for you. I am erasing this. Alright, we go for odd number. So what is odd number? It is exactly opposite of the even number. So the statement tells number not divisible by 2. So the given number, if it is not divisible by 2, then we will say it is odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7. In this way it will continue. So the smallest odd number is 1. Okay. I am talking about the largest odd number. When you say the largest odd number, it is going up to infinity. So we don't know where infinity exists. That's why this largest odd number is undefined. Okay. So this is all about odd number. Now I will be taking one example as a given number, and we are going to test whether that number is odd number or not. So I am erasing this. Example we are taking 15. So we are to test whether this 15 is a given number. This given number is odd or not. If this 15 is not divisible by 2, then we can say it is a odd number. So let's divide over here. 2 7s are 14. Yes, we are getting remainder 1. That means this 15 is not divisible by 2. So we can conclude this 15 is an odd number. Odd number. Why? Because not divisible by 2. Similarly, we can take any example over here. You can take any number in place of the given number, and you can test whether it is divisible by 2 or not. If it is not divisible by 2, then we will say that the given number is a odd number. Okay, I am erasing this. Now the last topic, that is perfect number. the last topic, perfect number. So what is it? Perfect number. We will understand this perfect number with the help of example. So I am taking one example, that is 6. Example is 6. This 6 is the given number. We are finding first the factors of 6. Factors of 6. What are they? Factors of 6 are 1 will be the factor for every given number. You must remember. Okay. In the table of 2, you need to see whether 6 is occurring or not. Yes, it will occur. In the table of 3, it will occur. In the table of 4, 6 will not occur, so we will not write over here. In the table of 5, 6 will occur or not, it will not occur, so we will not write. In the table of 6, it will occur 6, yes. So these are the factors of 6. This is possible only when we know the table from 1 to 20. If you have memorized the table, then you can write the factors of any given number in this way directly. Okay, these are the factors of 6. Now these factors we are going to add over here. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, it will give the result 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 1 12. So you think, yes, so after adding these all factors, we got the result as 12. So this 12 is exactly double of the given number. The given number was 6 and the result we produced over here is 12. That means 6 is multiplied by twice, it will give the result 12. If this is the condition, then we will say that this 6 is a perfect number. So the perfect number, once again I am explaining over here. We are taking one given number, that is 6, and we are here to test whether this 6 is a perfect number or not. To test that, first of all, you have to find the factor of 6. The factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. These factors, after finding, you have to add them. After adding, you are getting the result. This result you need to compare with the given number. Here the given number was 6 and the result we obtained over here is 12. It is exactly double the given number. If this is the condition, if the result is double the given number, then we will conclude that the given number is a perfect number. I hope you are clear with this example. You can take any number and you can test in this fashion. If the given number is there and you will find the factors of the given number, after finding the factors, you need to add them if the result is double of the given number. For suppose here it was 6, we are getting 12. If it was 8, we are getting 16. Then that way we can tell that 8 will be the perfect number. But if you try to do for 8, you will not get 8 as a perfect number. Just for your understanding, I have considered that example. Thank you. If you find any difficulty while doing or while finding the factors of any given number, then you can comment down below in the comment section. I will definitely answer your doubts.